And then on D, I'm going to subtract 7 from both sides. Seven minus 7 is 0, so those cancel out. Negative 5 minus 7 is negative 12. Is greater than or equal to 3x. Then I need to divide both sides by 3. And x is less than or equal to negative 4. Okay, I didn't divide by a negative number, so my sign stays the same. So I'm going to go to negative 4. It is greater than or equal, so I'm going to make a closed circle. And because x is less than, I'm going to go less than or to the left. Okay, do you guys agree with me on those two? Okay, cool. All right. Let's do a few more. Okay, on E, we're using our old friend, the distributive property, right? So I'm going to distribute 17 across to both of these values. First thing. So 17x plus, what is 17 times 5? 85 is less than or equal to 0. I want to subtract 85 from both sides. I'm subtracting so it doesn't change the sign. And then I'm going to divide by 17, which is a positive, so I don't change the sign this time. And negative 85 divided by 17 should take me back to 5. It's less than or equals, so I should shade in the circle. X is less than, so if it's less than, we're going to shade the values less than the 5. My line's getting more and more crooked. Let me use this card as a straight edge. That'll look better. There we go. Okay, look at G now. Okay, same idea on this version. We've got the 5 that we want to distribute first. So 5 times x is 5x. 5 times 3 is 15. I'm going to subtract the 3. Now, let's simplify that 15 minus 3. So if I have 15, I subtract 3 from it, that gives me 12. Okay, my next step, subtract 5x from both sides. Now I'm subtracting, I'm not multiplying or dividing. So I'm not going to change the sign. Negative 2x is greater than or equal to 12. Divide both sides by negative 2. Now I'm about to run out of room. Okay, since I'm dividing by negative 2, I'm going to change the symbol this time, aren't I? So it's going to be x is less than or equal to negative 6. So we'll go to negative 6. It's a closed circle because it's less than or equal to. And then since it's x is less than or equal to negative 6, I'm going to shade to the left. All right. And then for I, ooh, man. They're putting a great problem together on that one, aren't they? I'm going to let y'all catch up. Okay, on I, first thing, we want to do our distributive property again, our old friend. So that gives me 15x minus 6 plus 4x is less than or equal to 9x plus 6 minus 2x. So let's combine like terms again. So 15x plus 4x is 19x minus 6. Less than or equal to 9x minus 2x is 7x plus 6. Okay, Tori, what do you think? What should I do next?
I would subtract 7x.
Okay. I think that's a great idea. So that gives me 12x minus 6 is less than or equal to 6. Okay? Now, Devin, what would you do after that? Okay. So 12x is less than or equal to 12. Okay, now, Darrison, what would I do after that? How do I get that x by itself? Absolutely. So I want to divide both sides by 12. And x is less than, actually let's write it so we have room to do our graph. X is less than or equal to, I didn't change the sign because it wasn't negative, and 12 divided by 12 should be how much, guys? 1. Okay, so x is less than or equal to 1. And then we're going to shade which direction, left or right? Yeah. Okay, so